Hosnell 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. OMG, star-studded ang finals. Bigatin ang mga hurado at bisita. Another huge level up from Municipality of Moncayo. Behold the glamour and elegance. Pinapangunahan ng events host Miss Earth 2008, Carla Paula Henry, and Mr. Filipinas Eco International 2025, Kit Cortez. Judge naman ang ating Miss Universe of Philippines 2025, Maria Atisa Manalo. Ganon din si Miss Universe of Philippines 2019, Gazini Ganados. Hurado din ang ating Miss Grand Philippines 2025, Emma Mary Tiglao. And of course, Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Teresita Sen Marquez. Judge din si Mr. Supranational 2025 Port Runner-Up, Kenneth Kabungkal. And of course, King of the World Philippines 2025, Joren King Finay. Judge din ang ating Queen Philippines Universe 2024, Kirk Pupiolek. And Miss Mandirigma Pride 2025, IR John Ranis. Siyempre, hurado din si Jeric Gonzalez. At magbibigay naman ng special performance si Marlo Mortel. At walang iba kundi si David Licauco. Get ready to be amazed by celebrity performer and judges who will light up the stage with star-studded entertainment. Join us on September 13, 2025 at 6 p.m. Moncayo Dome for a night of glitz, grace, and unforgettable excitement as the quest for the crown begins. Will we witness another unforgettable moments just like last year? Best luck to all of the candidates and credits to Municipality of Moncayo. This is Hosnell, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.